What's up, tartlets? It's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to get this bold, fun, electric summer look. It's really colorful, really fun. It's kind of like Demi Lovato, cool for the summer vibes, so let's dive into this. We're going to start by applying our Tarte Metallic Single Shadow in the shade Amethyst. We're going to apply this all over the outer corner and the outer corner of the lower lash line. Now we're going to pick up our limited edition Clay Pot waterproof shadow liner in the shade Margarita, and we're going to apply this right to the inner corner of the eye, meeting that shade Amethyst. Now we're going to line with the liquid pen end of our Tarte Double Take eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. Alright, now I'm going to apply our Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Ivory. I'm going to be applying with our Smoothie Blending Brush. Now I'm going to take our Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to highlight under my eyes, right here on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and my chin. And actually I'm also going to cover up my birthmark. Now I'm going to bronze and contour using our Amazonian Clay waterproof bronzer. Now I'm going to highlight using our Skin Twinkle Lighting Palette Volume 2 with the shade Skylight. Since this is more of like an electric, bold, colorful summer look, we're going to use a lot of highlight. Alright, now I have to do my brows. I'm going to be using our Busy Gal Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Black Brown. Now it's time for a lip. I'm going to be applying our brand new Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick in the shade Hibiscus. So there you have it, tartlets, a bold, fun, colorful look you can rock all summer long. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and until next time, mwah, take care, tartlets.